Hi, I'm Jessica Johnson, and I'm the founder of Jessica Johnson Beauty. And I want to talk with you today a little bit about one of my favorite beauty secrets, the skincare ampule. So I found ampules 25 years ago when I was first training in Vienna. And these little magic elixirs are the secret sauce to the facial that we give at my studio. What is an ampule? A lot of people hear the word and they really don't even know what that is. I like to think of them as the reduction sauce of skincare. So take all these really great ingredients like hyaluronic acid and peptides and antioxidants, and they're basically distilled down into a very concentrated serum. And what an ampule is how they're packaged. So this is how they're packaged. This is the serum that we use in our facials in our studio that give the skin a really magical glow. And we now sell these for home use so that you can get that professional look ongoing with your home treatments. So you might be asking yourself, what is a treatment ampule? Well, ampules come packaged in these wonderful little glass vials, and they're packaged this way because it keeps them very, very pure. These are really easy to use at home. Even though it's a professional product, I've now produced these for home use so that you can have the professional treatment benefits right at home. I want to show you really quick how to open one of these. It's easier than you think. Simply take a Kleenex, place it over the top of the ampule, just to be extra safe. You're going to grab the base of the ampule, the top of the ampule, and just quickly break it open. As you can see, it breaks open very clean, and then you basically just take the serum out and put it right into your hand and apply it straight to your face. One ampule is unidose. There's enough ampule in here for your face, your neck, and your décolleté. So when and how do I use ampules? I'd love to share that with you. They're wonderful when you're traveling. I travel to New York at least once a month. This is my go-to fix-it-all for my skin after a flight. Short flight, long flight. I apply an ampule the night before I fly. Also, as soon as I get there that evening, I apply it again and my skin is completely revived. You can also use it as an as-needed product throughout the week. Most of my clients and myself will use an ampule 2 to 3 times a week. If their skin feels a little bit drier and needs a little bit more, they'll mix it in with their cream in the morning during the day.